Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make and crimp a battery wire. I need to put one in my 2003 Jeep TJ, and I have this kit, all different sizes. I'm going to need a 1 gauge, and then I also have a hydraulic crimper as well, which is in that yellow case, which is going to help me get this all set up. So I'm just cutting the old battery terminal end off because I'm not going to need that style. And then I kind of measure up with the fitting there, how much I'm going to need to cut off. And I carefully cut the insulation jacket off so I can fit it up. And I'm just putting some heat shrink tubing on, and it's red to match the red battery cable so you don't get confused. So I got some solder, I got the torch, I got the fitting and the vise. So basically what I'm going to do is heat that connector up with the torch. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill that connector half full with solder. You don't need to put it full of solder because once you push the wire in, it's just going to flow out. Half full is good because you're not going to get any spillage. So I'm just melting it in until I see myself it's about half full. And I grab my wire while it's still hot and I'm heating it up. I push it in and I continue to heat it up after the wire is put in to ensure the solder fuses to the copper wires. And when I do that, I turn off the gas and I hold it for a few minutes and I pull it out of the vise. It's looking good, looking nice and solid. Just letting it cool down right now. Now with the crimp I'm doing with this kit, I need the number 50 dies. So I'm just pulling them out of the case. I got this off Amazon. It was pretty cheap and it seems to work all right. And basically change the dies. You just pull that pin out, slide the new ones in. And then close it shut. Grab my connector, feed it into the die. Make sure it's set up that the little hydraulic ram is going to come forward and start to crimp. So I'm just doing the crimping motion now. With this crimper, it won't stop when it's crimped. It's going to get really tight, but you can feel the pressure going over the relief valve. And once you feel that, it's tight, but you can still squeeze it down. You know you're done. So basically I just let off the pressure, wiggled it out, and you can see it's crimped really nicely. I'm not going to have to worry about that coming loose at all. And then I got my heat shrinking. I just put it over top of the connector and the wire. Heat that up. And this project is done. I'm ready to install that. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.